All right, spelling for the week. So we are working on vowel diphthongs, the ow sound. So O and ow is spelled two ways. You can spell it with the OW or the OU. Okay. So our spelling words. Cow, cow. So we have ow, COW. Okay, cow. And house, house, ow, ow, house. So the OW in cow makes the ow sound, and the OU in house makes the ow sound. So both the same sound, both the same diphthong, two different spellings, OW and OU. So you're not going to be able to rely on one straight rule for this sound. You just have to know the spelling of the word that you're looking for. So cow, COW, and house, HOUSE. Then we have town. Okay, a town is a place where it has multiple buildings. Maybe it has some homes and businesses, a church. Okay, a town, multiple buildings. And then shout. Shout when we're yelling. Okay, shout, yell when we're yelling. Okay, so the OW in town makes the ow sound, and the OU in shout makes the ow sound. Okay. Then we have down. So when we go down, OW and down, and then mouse, OU and mouse. Okay. We have found. So what makes the ow sound in found? OU, correct. And what about loud? Correct, the OU in loud as well. Okay, so found, to find something like a treasure, right? We've heard plenty of stories about pirates finding treasure, so they found their treasure. And loud, when what is something that it makes a loud noise? Yes, drums do, or instruments make loud noises. Okay, brown, as in our brown crayon. Ground, like the floor or the ground, outside ground. Okay, pay attention to these pictures because they're going to be very helpful in your activity. Then we have pound and flower. Okay, I put pound here because even though pound can mean how much somebody weighs or something weighs, in this sense, we're talking about as the place where you find and adopt puppies or kittens. Okay, the pound, that's what it's called. And flower, and you guys know what flowers are. Okay, we have out. So this is our arrow coming out of the box. Think something that comes out of something. So it's currently in something and then it leaves and it goes out. And now. Okay, now when you think of the word now, you think of time. So when you think of the word now, you think of a clock. All right, so we're going to go ahead and watch the video I recorded for our activity. All right, so for today's spelling activity, put my packet here to this page. That is in the Wednesday section. Here's Wednesday. Okay, then I'm going to flip it a couple more pages, and here is the page with the pictures and the crossword, and the objective at the bottom. The top says, I can read my words. Okay, first things first, always read the directions. So read each word and find the picture that goes with it. Write your word in the space that number with that number in the crossword. Okay, so this crossword is easier, and it's easy and difficult at the same time because usually there is more than one word that goes with the number, but in this crossword there's only one. So as soon as you figure out what the word is or what the picture is, you can just plug it in. So let's look at number 1. Okay, number 1 is a cow. Okay, they want us to read the word and then find the picture. So cow. Number 1 is cow. So I'm going to go into my crossword, and I'm going to find the number 1. Here it is. And then I'm going to write the letter, the word cow, 1 letter in each box. So C-O-W. Perfect, and it fits. If it does not fit, if there's missing boxes, if there's too many letters, not enough boxes, then the word is incorrect. Go back to your list and go back to the pictures and see what word can better fit. Okay, so let's go. We just did cow. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a dot next to it. That means that I'm done. Or you can take your pencil and draw a line through it. Okay. Next is house. House. Okay, I'm going to look up here in my pictures and I'm going to see which one is a picture of a house. No. Oh, there it is. Let me check to see if maybe there's a better picture. 11. Well, it kind of looks like a house, but it looks like there's multiple houses. So I don't think that one is it. So 7. I'm going to find my number 7 in my crossword. Here it is, and I'm going to fill it in. House. H-O-U-S-E. Perfect. It fits. Okay, draw my dot or cross it out with a pencil and continue. All right. If you can't remember what words are what or what pictures might go with what, because if you look at number 10, that's a picture of a girl playing a violin. Well, violin isn't a part of our spelling word list this week, but there might be a better word. So what I would do, or what you should do, is go into the the video instructing you how to identify or read our spelling words, and then look at the pictures that go along with our spelling words in that activity. All right, get going. Okay, so at the end of that video, I said that if you're not certain about a certain word, such as the video or the picture that has the girl playing the violin, I would go back into this presentation or into this video, and I would rewind and fast forward until I figure out which word goes along with that picture. So I don't see anything with a violin. No violin. Oh, but there's the word loud that goes along with the picture of somebody playing an instrument. So maybe it's the word loud. And then I'm going to go back into the crossword puzzle and I'm going to try to see if that one fits. Right? I suggest you start with the ones that you know for sure. So number 1 is cow for sure. Number 2 is cat, I believe. So do the ones that not cat. Cat's not in our word list. I'm sorry. Number 2 is mouse. So number 1 is cow and number 2 is mouse. Okay, so you know those ones are easy for you. So you're going to do those ones first, and then as you try to figure out the harder ones, it's a process of elimination, right? So try to go back into the video and see which pictures are closest to the pictures in the activity. All right, guys, get going.